Welcome to our tutorial on the Splunk SPL appendcols command. The appendcols command is a powerful tool that allows you to add columns from another search to your current search results. This command enables horizontal combination of data by taking columns from a secondary search and appending them to your primary search results. Think of it as adding extra information side by side to your existing data table. The basic syntax for the appendcols command is straightforward. You simply type appendcols followed by square brackets containing your subsearch. The subsearch is the secondary search whose results will be added as columns to your main search. This simple structure makes it easy to combine data from different sources or indexes within your Splunk environment. Understanding how appendcols works is crucial for effective usage. The command takes your main search results and combines them with results from a subsearch. The main search provides your primary data with existing columns, while the subsearch provides additional columns that you want to add. The merge process happens horizontally, meaning the columns from both searches are combined side by side to create a comprehensive result set. Let's look at a practical example. Here we search the weblogs index, then use appendcols with a subsearch that looks in the user data index. The subsearch specifically selects the user ID and username fields. This example demonstrates how you can enrich weblog data with user information, creating a more complete picture by combining data from two different indexes. The appendcols command has two key characteristics you must understand. First, it performs row-by-row combination based on the order of results, not on field matching. This means the first row from your main search gets combined with the first row from your subsearch, regardless of any field values. Second, it creates a horizontal join by adding columns side by side to your existing search results, expanding your data table width rather than height. Here's a more complex practical example. We start by searching the sales index and calculating the sum of amounts by region. Then we use appendcols to add data from a subsearch that looks at the targets index, calculates average targets by region, and renames the field to average target. This combination allows us to compare actual sales totals with target averages for each region, providing valuable business insights in a single result set. There are important considerations when using appendcols. First, be aware of row count mismatches. If your main search and subsearch return different numbers of results, you may end up with incomplete data alignment. Some rows might have missing values where the searches don't align. Second, consider the performance impact. The subsearch executes separately from your main search, which can affect overall query performance, especially with large datasets. Following best practices will help you use appendcols effectively. Use appendcols for simple additions when you need to add supplementary data, without complex relationships between the datasets. However, consider alternatives like join or lookup commands when you need field-based correlations rather than positional alignment. Remember that appendcols is most powerful for horizontal data combination when row order matters, and you want to preserve the sequence of your results. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.